Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I will be discussing how to register place in Waze. So now, in order for you to do this, you just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, to register a place, you just have to simply provide the location of the place that you want to save first. For example, I have this option over here. And now from here, you should be able to see the save icon. And pretty much from here, you could provide a name over here to register it as a place. And you could just simply select done. And once you have done that, guys, when you go to your tabs over here, as you can see, we have home, work. You should be able to see the place that you have registered on Waze, and pretty much you can instantly tap on it and you won't search it anymore, and it will auto navigate. So pretty much you could add as many as you can, and if you want to select more over here, you can do that as well, or you could manually add a place over here and just simply search for the specific address, and you could also reorder it as well, so you could consider where is or what option that you usually use. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.